Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome to our channel, FASTCABLING. So are you struggling with weak Wi-Fi signal in your outdoor spaces? Today in this video, we are diving into the comprehensive summary of outdoor solutions and showcase the latest equipment to revolutionize your outdoor connectivity to supercharge your outdoor Wi-Fi experience. And whether you're setting up an outdoor surveillance, deploying network infrastructure for an event, or enhancing connectivity in challenging environment, our experts are ready to provide you with a free tech design. So don't miss out on this opportunity to optimize your outdoor networking solution. Just click now to claim your free tech design. In the great outdoors, where power sources are elusive, setting up a network can be a real challenge. Wires crisscrossing, extension cord playing hide and seek, extreme weather condition, limited power sources, and distance limitation. It sounds like a hassle, but fear not, for Power over Ethernet is here to untangle the web. Imagine a world where a single cable not only delivers data, but also power up your devices, eliminating the need for multiple power sources. So that's the magic of Power over Ethernet. Whether it's IP cameras keeping an eye on your property, or access point that providing internet connectivity in the great outdoor, PoE can simplify it all. So now, here's the star of the show, the outdoor PoE injector. So these compact powerhouses take your network to new heights, literally. With the ability to transmit power and data over a single Ethernet cable, you can set up devices in the remotest corner without worrying about power source. And high power injector is also available if you're using high power devices like the PTZ camera or high power wireless access point. The high power BT standard PoE injector can provide up to 60 watts of power. This technology uses up all 4 twisted pair of the wires in an Ethernet cable, while AF and AT standard only use 2 pairs. So PoE technology not only provides a streamlined approach to powering network devices, but also significantly contribute to overall network performance. If you want to know more about how to set up a PoE injector, you can watch another video right here. So we just solved the power problem. However, signal degradation and interference often pose common issues, especially when distance is over 100 meters, limiting the effectiveness of outdoor connectivity. So here enter the PoE extender. This is a transformative device that is designed to enhance and extend outdoor setup. PoE extender provides flexibility in expanding network coverage, whether it's surveillance cameras in large outdoor spaces, access points in sprawling buildings, or IoT devices in industrial setting. PoE extenders facilitate the growth of the network infrastructure without the need for additional power sources, and overcome the distance limitation inherent in standard PoE deployment. So the benefits of outdoor PoE solution extend for beyond the conventional power and data transmission capability, making it a cornerstone in optimizing outdoor network infrastructure. But what if PoE technology still doesn't meet your demand and you need something more sophisticated? And introducing the fiber optic solution, the game changer you didn't know that you needed. When speed, distance, and reliability are important, fiber optics swaps in. With the ability to transmit data at the speed of light, literally light, and cover vast distance without losing a beat, it's like giving you a network superhero cap. While PoE technology might struggle with distance and potential interference, fiber optics breeze through challenges like a hot knife through butter. Fiber optic experience minimal signal loss even over long distances, and this low attenuation ensures that the transmitted data remains strong and clear. It also do not emit electromagnetic interference and also have a significant higher bandwidth capacity compared to traditional copper cables. So this is the fiber media converter. It converts electrical signal from copper cables to optical signal suitable for transmission over fiber optic cables, and also supporting high-speed and ultra-long-distance fiber optic data transmission. In conclusion, the choice between Power over Ethernet and fiber optic extension solution for outdoor network setup depends on the specific requirements, environmental consideration, and the desired outcomes. Power over Ethernet extension solution leverage a single Ethernet cable for both power and data, offer simplicity, cost-effectiveness, and ease of deployment. They're well suited for moderate distances and scenarios where power availability is a concern. On the other hand, fiber optic extension solutions provide unparalleled speed, reliability, and security, making them ideal for long-distance transmission and environment with electromagnetic interference. Fiber optics offer future-proofing and the capability to support high-bandwidth application, ensuring scalability and adaptability to evolving network needs. So now I'm going to give out some tips on optimizing outdoor Wi-Fi network since it involves a strategic blend of consideration and best practices to ensure maximal coverage, reliability, and performance. Firstly, the proper placement of outdoor access point is paramount for optimal coverage. Thoughtful positioning, considering factors such as signal range and obstacles, can significantly enhance the network reach. Secondly, meticulous attention to cable quality and length is crucial. Using high-quality cable of appropriate length minimizes signal loss and ensures efficient data transmission. Thirdly, the importance of weatherproofing and ruggedness cannot be overstated when it comes to outdoor components. So investing in equipment designed to withstand environmental elements is essential for long-term reliability in diverse weather conditions. Finally, adopting best practices to minimize interference is the key. It involves selecting appropriate channel, avoiding overlapping frequencies, and implementing technology like beamforming. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us. If you find our video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel FastCabling. And until next time, stay connected.